Hare Krishna. So this is a follow-up question from the earlier podcast that we shared. Why do all gods appear in India, Bharat only? So someone asked this question. Then what about the vahanas or the vehicles of the gods? Right? We see that so many of the devas they actually have animals which are found in India: cow, tiger, lion, buffalo, rat, and peacock, and this and that. Right? Peacock is an animal very much located in the Asian countries, Eastern countries, for example, India and so on, right? Not so much in the other parts of the world. So, what about then other animals? Dodo, koala, panda, kangaroo. Do Vedas have knowledge about these animals? Because it seems that Indians are creating their gods based on their own local region, right? So first, again, we have to understand, like we shared before, that these devas they are all there in the Shwarga, and it is their vahan that they have chose there, right? And therefore they are manifested here. Like we discussed, we did not choose our birth, we did not choose where we want to born, we did not select what species live where. This has been designed by the supreme creator, God. He has designed that this location, this place, you'll have very similar mirror like characteristics, like an embassy. If you go to an embassy of any country, you feel as if you're in that country again. All the atmosphere, the songs, the colors, the culture. So similarly, Lord has designed a place like Bharat, India, to have very similar resemblance or very similar ambience or understanding, that spiritual energy. Coming to the question, do the Vedas have knowledge about other animals? Well, they do. There are many animals, even the vahanas of the gods, which are not even understood in India. For example, Makara, which is the Vahan of Ganga Devi or Varuna Dev. Makara is a hybrid kind of creature, which is very mythological, it sounds. Some say it's a huge shark underwater, some say it's a mix of different breeds of species and all. So, this is something that is there, but we do have no current perception of it. So, like that, there are many species also which are mentioned in the Shastras, which we have no current perception of. So, if we come back to the main question, is it because Indians have created their gods to look like them? The reverse is true, right? This gods actually chose this place to actually mimic or resemble what the kind of experience, the culture. Everywhere in Shastra it's mentioned that life on earth in human form, in devotional form, is a training ground so that we can live life in the spiritual world with the Lord. So we practice here only to perfect there. Hare Krishna.